Metro Sports Bar. It's actually busy. You guys can see right there. You guys can see it's really busy right now. There's an event going on. I'll show you what's going on.
Let's give it up for GJS! Jason.
I ordered lechon kawali. Here it is.
Kasi this is actually yung reason bakit nasalo tayo ngayong gabi yung mga musikero, no? We would like to call on stage our beneficiary, okay, for TG13. Palakpakan po natin, no? Si Mr. Jason Tipay. Ayan. Wala na pong ilalakas yung mga palakpak natin, mga kaibigan. Ayan, maraming salamat. he will be here on the stage. Okay, so yung 200 pesos na ticket na binili ninyo ng mga kaibigan mapupunta kay Mr. Jason Pimay. So, nag-enjoy na kayo this evening, nakapulong ba kayo? So, yun yung main advocacy na abi-abi musikero. So, palagpakan po natin. Alright, so Mr. Jason Pimay, of course, ito lang po yung main spokesperson ni Sir Ren. So, kumusta naman po si Jason? Yes.
As you can see po, every day is a struggle. Kasi po, since I have like 4 years ago, tsaka a lot of my boys, every day is a struggle, but such events, it reminds me na, ayun na, you're never alone. You always have people to fight with you, no matter what. So, I appreciate that things and look at what's next for me. I'm paying so many things. So, it really means a lot.
Yeah, so Sir Jason, invite mga pakan natin. Well, there's really good many people na tulungan ng musikero. Okay, then of course, hindi magiging possible dito kung wala yung mga four organizers natin. So, guys po tawagin sa stage ang ating mga core group. Ayan, the core group as well kasi recently my father passed on and they also in some way contributed sa pagkakapanaw ng ating ama. Alright, so napakalaking tulong na organization. Palapakan natin. Many messages sa ating beneficiary.
Hello po. First of all, thank you so much for your support, no? Kahit yung mga nakalive tayo, kahit yung mga hindi nakadating, pero bumili ng tickets, maraming salamat. Maraming tulong kay Mr. Jason Pimay. And sa inyo yung nag-exert ng effort and time, thank you so much. At po, maraming nagsisiksikan na kayo. Asensya na po, pero talaga, ganito po talaga lagi ang taga-daling. Maraming po talaga sumusuporta kasi naniniwala sa ating mission, sa ating boss. Katulad po rin, thank you so much. And to Mr. Jason Pimay, sir, no words can express how much we, sympathize with your situation. Ilang tayo yung pinagkakaroon pero the Lord is good. Pero tulad ng kinakalaan yung mga sila sa inyo. The goodness of God, hindi yung nagbabago. Kahit may mga pinagkakaroon tayo, but the Lord, ganawa na lang tayo na may miracle, may himala siya. And gagaling ka, sir. And hindi na ito ang last na kanta po. And soon, you will join Dance and March Chan again. Pero wala yung mag-release pa. Manunod sa Basya. Wala na kayo. Paano kayong
Ay, once again, pala po natin, Mr. Jason Pimay.
Thank you and all the people in the room. Thank you po sa inyo lahat sa suporta. And God bless you always. Thank you po.
The incredible avenues for honoring my husband with such a beautiful tribute. Thank you not only for honoring my husband and a truly devoted father, but for being his second family for nearly 13 years. Music was such a huge part of his life, and being with all of you made something more meaningful. Thank you for celebrating his life and the making of love, much of music, connection, and joy. The both have been surely touched as I am. Thank you from Soma's family.
Ayan, palakpakan natin yung happy musikeros. Ang dami na nilang natulungan. Okay, marami pa sana tayong matulungan. Sa mga natutulungan natin, I hope kahit paano lahat tayo ay nagiging hawaan. Alright? Cheers! Thank you, thank you.
Hey guys, my gimbal is dead, and it's gonna keep going on up until the bar closes. So I have to say goodbye early. All right, catch you later, guys. All right, bye.